Welcome back to your favorite part of Monday, watching Humble Haven Media. I know it's your favorite part because it's definitely my favorite part of Monday. Thomas worked really hard on this video, and it's actually just a part one of 2 videos that he did, just giving you an in-depth look at what he does here at Humble Haven Farm. And I really enjoyed doing all of the editing. He had a lot of information in there about what we do and actually even the why we do what's going on here at Humble Haven. And so I really hope you guys enjoy and maybe take some notes or, get some popcorn or something. If you have any specific questions about something you see, just comment down below and we'll do our best to answer those questions as quick as possible. Or, just compliment Thomas on how awesome he looks on camera. He'll love that. I promise. All right. So let's just get into it, and I'll see you next week.
Today we have 2 projects we're going to be working on. The first one is getting the pullets, which if you've seen the video with Ruben doing chicken chores, he showed you about our chickens, but today we're going to get the pullets that are in this chicken coop, and we're going to put them into a chicken tractor because as you can see the chicks are getting out, so we're going to put the pullets in a chicken tractor, which is a little bit of a temporary situation. We're hoping to build a new pen for them where we can use electric netting, but we're going to put them in there to get them on pasture, get them out of the chicken coop. The second project we're working on today is getting this ready for pigs. It's quite a wet mess. It is needs cleaned out. It doesn't smell nearly as bad as it could because we did a deep bedding method, which is where we add mulch or carbon to where they go to the bathroom the most and to where they're living. So then it composts, and when material is composting, it does not smell. So that helped a lot. We messed up. We did our research a little bit, but we didn't do it under a roof. So that means there was excess rain and water, and actually we did them over the winter. So there was snow melting, and that turned it too wet. So it does smell a little bit, but not nearly as bad as it could. And we're gonna get it all cleaned out and fresh mulch in here, get this ready. There's a pile of stuff. Get it ready for pigs. And that is the second project we have to do today. So let's do it. Let's start with these chickens. Let's get them into this chicken tractor. Right here, this is the one they're going in. That's out where the laying hens are. This is where the pullets are going. We got the tarp, got it mostly set up yesterday. Just gotta get feeders in it, and that water is broken. We need to fix that, put an end on it. Let's see if I can show you. Let's see here. The end down there is missing the cap. It fell off, so we're gonna glue that on, chain this up, and hang feeders in here, and then catch the chickens actually, and put them in here, put water in there. They'll be ready to go. Let me think, what do I have to get? I gotta get that pipe glue, get the end, get the feeders, catch the chickens. Okay, I think I got everything in here. I think I'm missing the glue though. Got a crate and what else do I need? Go me some glue. Okay, I think I got everything. We got a crate and I got some glue, pipe glue. We're gonna grab the feeders on the way out. We're gonna just jump in Mater here. It's a Cushman named Mater. See if it starts. Hope it starts. We need a battery for it, and haven't got one yet, so we'll see if it starts. Let me set you down right here. Yes! Start it up. Let's go. See if she'll just idle. Hope she doesn't die. Okay, let's grab the feeders out. Get these feeders. So why do we like getting these chickens out on pasture? Why do we do that? Well, main reason is the grass. The grass helps a lot with feed bill, and it makes it cheaper to raise them. Also, it's better nutrients than just this feed. It's non-GMO feed, but grass is super good for these animals. Also, it helps the pasture. We're putting them on our pasture, our pig pasture, and it actually helps the pasture grow. It grows it faster, adds it a lot of nutrients and stuff like that. So got the feeders, let's go. Really stirred the chickens up. We've got them, normally they'll be outside already, but today we left them in so we can catch them. Man, these feeders are already up feeding. Oh, not good. That isn't good. The bottom just fell off that feeder. Okay, we'll have a mess to clean up there. Make sure that door's closed. Let's get it set up. So we've got to fix this water. You know what I'm missing? I'm missing the piece that goes on it. Okay, I gotta grab that. Just a second. I messed up. Daily struggles. Go to work and do something. And first off, I take you along with me, so that makes it difficult. You know, always having to haul you along. You guys need to get legs and you just walk yourself. I guess you have legs, but uh-oh. Here we go. There we go, you can see me. Okay. There we go. Let's check in here. Not there. Where did I put it? I know. I put it in my coat. I put it in my coat. Coat pocket. I was wearing a Carhartt yesterday because it was freezing. It had snowed the day before. So, like, there's still snow on the ground. Look at this. Snow. Taffy, don't get in the way. On our ground. That's ridiculous. In April. That's ridiculous. It's in here. Boom. Got the fitting. Let's go do it. Okay, there you go. We'll adjust. Can you see me? You see what I'm doing? Okay. I don't know if you can. I got the fitting. I got the glue. Go me some glue. We are here in the chicken tractor. Underneath it. I don't know if you can see that. It's like 3 foot tall, so I'm huddled in here. And I gotta glue this thing on. We're gonna clean it off. Probably should put some primer on it, or pipe primer, but I don't have any, so we're just gonna clean it out and put some of this all-purpose cement on it. This is a homemade chicken tractor that we built here on a farm. Dad and brothers did. Which one should I put it on first? Because I've never done this. We'll put it in here first. Slide those in there. Okay, stick that there. Okay, so we built this a long time ago when I actually did chickens for 4-H. Ooh, that looks a lot. And this is the first one. Not nearly as nice as our second one. Okay, that's gonna have to dry. We used actual chicken wire on this one. The second one we used like, what you call it? Hardware cloth or something. It's thicker. It's better quality. It doesn't rust out. Actually, this stuff has been rusting out and falling off. Ugh. So we've been having to rewire it on, and yeah, that stinks. It's not very fun. Also, these doors we made in the top didn't have good hinges. We just wired them on too, so they're not as nice. The first handles we did were like this. I don't know if you can see those. There you go, yeah. And so it took 2 people to move it. Oh my goodness, there you go. And now we use this handle that we designed on that chicken tractor. So we got that glued. What's next? Hanging it, putting feeders in. I guess I should have, oh yes, our mess. We have to clean that up. Much rather the second one. These are more set up for meat birds actually. This one we ended up putting a nesting box in. It's not my favorite nesting box. I'd rather use these crates, but it is what it is. So that's what we're using. Man, that's a lot of feed just wasted. Bummer. Okay. Let's see if we can collect any of this. So yeah, it's a temporary situation. We're gonna put them in here till we can get some electric nets. I'm ordering here soon, chicken net, and then we'll build a little, actually it's a Justin Rhodes design. He didn't sponsor me to say that or anything, but I really like his design of a chicken mobile for laying hens, mobile pen. So we're gonna build one of those and use that for our laying hens. But for now, this is what we're gonna use because we gotta get them out here quick, and hopefully within a couple weeks, they'll be switched over to our new design. The design behind this, we've got hanging feeders, and a hanging water is so that when we go to move them, we don't have to pick anything up out of it. We just grab onto the front of it and move it. And it's super easy. It is heavier than most chicken tractors. That's the downside. But everything is hanging in here. So it's quick and easy to move. And I do like that. You don't have to pick anything up. And it is 3 foot tall, so I can crawl in here and catch chickens easy. Get any eggs they lay on the ground. Well, normally pick those up afterwards, but okay. It's not necessarily convenient, but you gotta do what you gotta do. So that's glued on there. Feeders are in. Time to catch chickens. Well, no, I lied. We gotta hang this. Okay, I got this one side. I think I have to go in for the other side though. Just hanging about chicken height. What's chicken height? Is that chicken height? Perfect. Oh, this bunch. Okay, so the battery died on the camera. I go get a new battery. We finished hooking up the water, and I got some more. I got another crate right here. We're gonna grab these chickens, and we got the feeder set up, water set up. Grab these chickens and take them out there. We're just going to use those crates And I'm gonna step in there, I'm gonna catch them, put them in the crates, drive them out there, let them in to the chicken tractor. Let's see here. Wow, girls, don't have to get so wound up. Boom. Uh-oh. Chickens in with the chicks. Okay. Come on, girls. Chickens will be just fine. Just calm down. Oh, calm down. Really, not bad. Don't stress out. You're fine. I'm not gonna eat you. Okay. Okay, I think that's enough for this one. Come on, girls. Go this way. Whoa! You know what I might do? This crate here we have, this crate is missing the bottom. So I think we're gonna take these chickens, I'm gonna stick them in here. Why won't it focus on my face? Not focus, the lighting is bad. Okay. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna stick those chickens in here and then go get more. Taffy, get away. You guys probably want to see this, just in case they all get out. You know, some people like watching other people catch chickens. You know, I'd rather just do it. Let's set up the tripod. Sometimes it takes a little bit. Struggles of YouTubing, vlogging. Okay, you can see me. Let's grab Matt here. It's a rooster that came in with all the hens. You know, this would be much more helpful if I had more people, but nobody's home right now. It's just me. So I gotta do it all by my lonesome. I got 4 in there, 5, 6. Ow. 7. Oh, come on. Stop, calm down. 8. I think that's 8. 9. Chickens. 10. Oh, wait, no. 11. If I count it right, we have 11. I think we get 12, at least in 12 in there. Let me count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. Okay, we got 10. We have 30 chickens in all, so we got 20 more chickens to go. 30 chickens in all. We got 10 in that crate, so we got 20 more in here. So let's go catch them. I think we can fit another 5 in there. We're probably gonna need 2 trips though, so I don't know, maybe I'll just put 8 or something in here. 5 in here, 15, we'll take 2 trips. Okay, let's do it. You already got a shot of me catching chickens, so I'm just gonna do it again and again, and probably again. So we'll see. I'll see you once I got them all caught. Okay, over here at the chicken tractor, got our chickens. Let's put them in. Let's put you in first, so you can see this wonderful thing. Oh no, there's a hole there. Last one. And there we go. All the chickens, well, not all of them, just some of them. Again, they're still a little scared, trying to figure out what's going on. Let's go get the rest of them. Close that, I can't get out. Let's go and catch the rest of the chickens. Okay, I took a little break, had to go and do some dishes, but we're all done with our first project and we're back out here ready to get on our second project of the day. You can see that we've got chicks in here now, and in the chicken coop where the pullets were, and I'll go out and show you the chickens, or actually the pullets that we got in the chicken tractor. I'll show you their setup. Okay, here's the chickens in their chicken tractor and their new setup, new house. We got both feeders in there, and all of the chickens, it took us 2 loads, got their water hooked up, so they've got water. They're on this grass. This thing has tires on the back of it, and we can pick it up in the front and move it, and we'll move it probably once a day. There's 30 in here, which is more than normal, so we might move these ones twice a day. But right now, just once a day since they're young. Next project is the pig pen, like I said earlier, which is quite a mess. So we're gonna get onto that, cleaning it up. I'm gonna jump on the backhoe here, and you get to watch me quickly. Well, I'm gonna be going slow, but when you see it, it'll look quite quick. Clean it up.
You ready to get your mind blown? Bling! That's too close. I feel like that's too close.
Yeah, it's picking at your eyeballs, the little square under it.
Wait, like this eye or this eye? This eye?
Nope, now the other one. You can put your hand there.
This square.
Nope, other side. That one.